Hey, my name's Sarah. I have actually been a homeowner here for 24 years in Lindenhurst, proud homeowner. And 4 years ago or so, I was able to work with Lotus Home Improvement to renovate our home. We did the whole first floor. It started off as a kitchen project, which my husband still thinks it was only a kitchen project, which included flooring, lighting, bathroom, painting, and a few little other fun amenities. So let me show you around the kitchen. We started off here where we used to have a sink. We had a wall which divided these two spaces and then was into a dining room, which truly was only utilized for storing things. When we started in January, I cleaned out Valentine's Day candies from the year before. We decided to do, one of my favorite things is we decided to do two different colors. And so we did both a lighter texture of the cabinets as well as the darker on the bottom and to the coffee bar to pull it all together. So we made a wine coffee bar over there. We have two pantries where I used to have one smaller pantry. Now I have two pantries with rolling shelves and big open spaces that I'm able to store things that I have no clue where I had them before. We utilized this space, turning this into our kind of cooking area, so I could move right around here while people are sitting and chatting, families doing homework, people are doing whatnot and entertaining, or just daily life of things. We have the sink, and which was actually a hard thing to pick out. I didn't think it would be so hard, but finding the right sink was key to me, that it was deep enough, but didn't have dividers, and so it was a fun sink to pick out. Another fun thing to pick out was our microwave, because we have the accessibility to the microwave right here that comes out, and yet it doesn't clutter up any of our other areas. I didn't really expect to put a pot filler in, but I did for aesthetics, thinking that it might look nice, and now I love it. I love being able to have my water, my pots right here. If I need to add a little bit more water, I don't have to take this heavy hot pot all the way over. It's a luxury. Shopping for the appliances was always fun, and Lotus had great recommendations for places to go. As far as everything else, the experience was seamless. It was a lot of fun. The crew was great to work with. Marcus was a great project manager, being attentive to details. He saw things we didn't even see that just could pretty up and perfect up by the end of the experience. And they made sure I was happy and everything before they did the final walkout. And it's great to still have a relationship with them because I have many more rooms I need done. So I definitely recommend using Lotus Home Improvement for all of your needs as far as remodeling and purchasing the supplies and the opportunities that they have with their expertise to help design the best living space for you.